County Commissioners. It is February 9th. Boy, the year's going by fast. We're meeting via the Zoom platform. Eric, would you say the Pledge of Allegiance?
Sure. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, thank you. Any public comment? Seeing none, we'll move on. The chair will entertain a motion to approve the minutes of the special meeting. It was held January 27th, 2021.
So moved.
Moved by Commissioner, second by Commissioner Knoll. All in favor signify by saying aye.
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 Passes 3-0. Chair will entertain a motion to approve the minutes of the meeting of February 2nd, 2021.
Also move.
Commissioner Knoll, seconded by Commissioner Quinn. All in favor signify by saying aye. Aye.
Aye.
Passes 3-0. Okay. Commissioner comments and committee reports.
It's more of a question than anything. So I've been asked, our tax sale, is our date set for March 17th? We don't have a date set yet. Okay, but we're shooting for March on that.
No, there's a court hearing on February 22nd, and depending on the results of that, we'll set the date at that time.
Okay. And then second question is Tuesday, April 21st of last year, the commissioners discussed the Riverbend School being on the tax sale. And it appears that you guys had voted to dismiss the property from the tax sale once the mortgage foreclosure was filed on the property. Has that been done? I guess is question number one. And then question number two, how do we go about getting that back on the tax sale? Are we able to do that?
Well, both of those things have happened.
Okay.
That is that they have filed their mortgage foreclosure case, and the property has been dismissed from the sale. I think if you want to have a more in-depth discussion, we should have either you and I discuss it, or the commission should have an executive session on an attorney-client matter.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I would like to do that if we can.
Yeah, either of those are fine, and we could do it today.
Okay, that sounds great.
Yeah, I think there's another executive session with Mr. K.S.A, so probably should be after that one.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Eric, do you have anything?
No, we did have an update. The first round of shots at Senior Village took place Friday, and the follow-up round is for March 8th. So I'm glad that's a big deal for Atchison County and Senior Village.
Yeah, I'm going to give you an attaboy. You're the guy that really started the ball rolling. I realize once the ball rolled, it got done. But thanks a lot for doing that, Eric.
Well, thank you. That's part of it, and I wasn't doing that for kudos for myself. It's John Epley had a lot to do with that, and that's what we're here for. And it's too bad that we got into that situation, but it's on the road. So thank you.
Okay, I don't really have anything this week. We have an EMS yearly report. I think we'll receive that and file it. There was the one thing that stands out about the report is our revenues were down about 15% based on the idea that a lot of people weren't transported to hospitals. A lot of people just didn't want to go to hospitals. So it's changed a little bit, but the EMS was able to control their expenses and work as a team, and they came in well under budget. So that was a good thing. Okay, new business before the board. I have a purchase order to Logan Contractor Supply for a trailer mounted dual patcher that lays down materials on a road for $77,000. The chair will entertain a motion to approve this purchase order.
So moved.
Been moved by Commissioner Quinn.
I'll second.
Commissioner Knoll. Any further discussion?
The only thing I'll add is that was the only company in our area that sells the machine. So that's why there wasn't an additional bid, and that also the loan payment is in the budget for this year. So it's all good.
That's an important piece. We are going to at least purchase that item. So.
And one thing, as part of the discussion, that there was a video that Mr. Snyder provided us that showed how with two people, they could effectively take care of a lot of these patches. So it's very mindful of manpower and the hours it takes to do this. So that's where we're really looking at it being budget friendly, and the lifetime of this is that two people can get a lot done with this piece of machinery.
Okay, all in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Passes 3-0. That's all the new business I have today. Old business, old unfinished business. I don't have anything. County councilor updates. Sorry, Michelle.
Sorry, wasn't there an 8.1 for new business for the USD 377 and ASAF sports complex maintenance report for their first quarter maintenance payments on the site?
My 8.1 doesn't show that. It shows the Joe Snyder Road and Bridge Superintendent.
I've
'Cause
got,
I had Joe as 8.2, but that's okay. I just know that I had the sales tax stuff, revenue bond thing, so.
Okay, so it's not on my copy of the agenda.
I'm sorry. I think I'm looking at the same copy that Jack is also. My 8.1 was Joe Snyder Road and Bridge.
I've got it on 8.1, 8.2 is Joe Snyder. This is the Management and Operating Reserve Fund from to Exchange National Bank on the sales tax revenue bond series 2007-A. This is the maintenance agreement. The first installment for the maintenance agreement that we have with 377 and ASAF. Respectively, the USD 377 is $2,500 and ASAF is $10,000 for a total of $12,500.
Is that a motion, Eric?
Yes, I'll make a motion to approve this.
Do I have a second?
I think this is new to K.S.A, and I understand this is something that we have to do quarterly. This is the funds that come from the quarter-cent sales tax that we have that fund the maintenance, and it's paid quarterly to both of these entities to take care of the ball fields. One here in Effingham and one at by the western part of the city there, by the school.
Okay.
I will second it. I will second it for discussion purposes. Any further discussion? Very good. I assume you're ready to vote. All in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Okay, passes 3-0. Okay. County councilor updates.
Yeah. Well, I think no, I don't have anything more to report today.
You need an executive session, Pat?
Well, we have two. Yes, Kevin Case is here, who represents the sheriff in pending litigation, and you all had asked for an update. And so he's here to give a little bit on that. And then after that one, in a separate executive session, the attorney-client matter with me concerning the tax sale.
Okay. So do I have a motion to move an executive session with Pat? Or
This
Eric?
would be attorney-client, Pat,
Yes, yes.
and we're 30 minutes.
Yes, I think that should take care of it. Yes.
Okay, I'll move that the Board of County Commissioners recess into executive session at 1:10 PM for consultation with an attorney for the board, Pat Henderson, County Counselor, which consultation would be deemed privileged in the attorney-client relationship, and that the executive session is necessary to protect the attorney-client privilege. The executive session will be conducted in a breakout room using the Zoom platform. The board will come out of executive session at 1:40 PM, either on the Zoom platform or in the commission room, first floor courthouse, in open session, and those present will be the three commissioners, Pat Henderson, County Counselor, and Kevin Case, lawyer. How do we put
Yeah.
that, Pat?
Did you say?
He's an attorney with the Case Linden Law Firm.
Okay, I didn't have that.
We also need to add Sheriff Laurie.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see him pop on here. All right, yes, Sheriff Laurie.
Do I have a second?
A second.
Second by Commissioner Quinn. All in favor, signify by saying aye. Aye. We go to the breakout room in just a moment here. Okay, we're back in session. Uh, Do I have a motion for another executive session?
So moved.
I think we have,
Eric, you got to read.
I've got the language here. How long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes for non-elected personnel?
Maybe 20 just to be safe.
Okay. I'll move that the Board of County Commissioners. Yes.
No, this is an attorney-client matter, just
Okay.
involving just with me, not with Mr. Case.
Okay.
And I think 20 minutes is a long time. I mean, I'd rather come back in. Can we just do it 10 minutes or 15 minutes?
Let's split the difference and go with 15. So,
Okay.
all right. I'll move that the Board of County Commissioners recess into executive session at 1:42 PM for consultation with an attorney for the board, Pat Henderson, County Counselor, which consultation would be deemed privileged in the attorney-client relationship, and that the executive session is necessary to protect the attorney-client privilege. The executive session will be conducted in a breakout room using the Zoom platform. The board will come out of executive session at 1:52 PM, either on the Zoom platform or in the commission room, first floor courthouse, in open session, and those present will be the three commissioners and Pat Henderson, County Counselor.
You mean 157, Eric?
57, yes. I'm sorry. I'm bad with math on my feet.
I had the same problem last week, so. Kate, any senator second?
Okay.
Seconded by Commissioner Quinn. All in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Passes 3-0. Okay, we're gonna go up executive session. We are back. Any public comment? Seeing none. Chair will entertain a motion to adjourn at 1:57 PM.
So move.
I'll second.
Okay, all in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
See you next week or in the funny papers. Bye-bye.
Oh, Pat? You're muted.